Hello everybody, and in this video I would like to talk about mineral buildup in hair. That's something that we don't talk a lot about. So I did discover this new YouTuber. She calls herself Fops. I will leave her channel information down in the description box below. So basically I discovered her channel through African Hair God's live streams, and I have been watching her videos. Like, she could be the only YouTube channel that I can watch for natural hair for this point on, and I will be okay. Like, I don't need any other hair advice. She's also a UK based trichologist. She does give us a lot of information. Basically, one of the things that she talked about is having mineral buildup. I know in the natural community world we go against the sulfates and all these hard products, shampoos to cleanse our hair, because we're always looking for moisturizing shampoos. She made a video where she talked about buildup in your hair, and then chemical mineral buildup, like mineral buildup in the hair. So she did talk about sulfates are good to remove buildup in our hair, but sulfates are not great at removing mineral built-up in the hair. And sometimes you may be living in a hard water area, which I have discovered. I actually live in a hard water area, so I need a shampoo that's going to help remove those mineral buildup. And then one of the ingredients she said to look for in the shampoos to remove mineral buildup is EDTA. And then those shampoos used to remove mineral buildup are called chelating shampoos. I used to see that many years ago, but I used to always say chelating shampoos. But she was able to say the correct way, which is chelating shampoo. And she suggests that using a sulfate shampoo to remove buildup, and then using a chelating shampoo to remove minerals is too much and it's going to be harsh on the hair. So it's best to have, or to find, a shampoo that have sulfate and EDTA, the mineral buildup removing ingredient. Because I'm a product junkie, I have too many products. She did showcase one by Tresemme. It's a 1 in 2 shampoo and conditioner. It has sulfates and it has EDTA in it. But because I already have too many products, I don't need to be buying something else. So I went into my stash and I looked at all the ingredients, and I found the Suave smoothing shampoo, and it does have the sulfates. It does have sodium lauryl sulfates, and it also have EDTA. So those are the 2 ingredients that are good to removing buildup and mineral buildup. This shampoo is so drying. I have used this shampoo in the past, and I know it's so drying and it draws up my hair. So like this much on my scalp. I first started by pre-pooing and detangling my hair with the VO5 conditioner, and I put my hair in braids, and then I proceeded by washing this. That way it was a form to protect my hair, and then putting my hair in braids will also prevent my hair to like so drawing up and causing knots and tangles and stuff. And this is my hair after that. After that, I really did feel like my hair was revived. I could tell a difference because sometimes we use like moisturizing shampoo. I no longer co-wash, but I do a lot of moisturizing shampoo. And after a while, the hair tends to just be dull and flat. And that's how I feel like I'm getting some buildup. When I did this, I realized that there was some type of reviving to my hair. My hair felt revived and it felt bouncy, very light on my head. This shampoo will be incorporated in my hair regimen every 1 month to 6 weeks. So depending on how heavy I've been on other products, I will be using this once a month or once every 6 weeks. This is information that I learned from another YouTuber, and I just wanted to share it because I tried it and I love it, and I will definitely incorporate this in my natural hair care routine. I'll leave all questions and comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.